Here's how to fix slow Steam download speeds. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings, then Downloads. First, check your download region. It should be set to a location close to you geographically. Steam routes your download through regional servers, and selecting the wrong region significantly reduces your speeds even on a fast connection. Change it to the nearest city or country. Make sure Limit Download Speed is turned off. This is sometimes enabled accidentally and caps your speed regardless of what your connection can handle. Scroll down and turn off Throttle Downloads while streaming if it is enabled. This setting deliberately reduces download speed to maintain remote play quality, which is rarely needed if you are just downloading games. Finally, click Clear Cache and confirm. Steam's download cache can become corrupted over time and slow downloads significantly. This is one of the most effective fixes and is always worth doing. Steam will log you out and restart automatically. Sign back in and your download speeds should be noticeably faster. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.